Dear students, welcome back once again. This is Dr. Prasanna T from Government First Grade Women's College, Shumaga. This is the second session of Human Resource Management. In the first session, we discussed about introduction and meaning of human resource management. In this session, that is in second session, that we are going to discuss definitions of human resource management, that how many thinkers, many economists, or many renowned workers have made their own definition in regarding to the human resource management. Let us start that who are going to study this paper. Human resource management is for Bachelor of Arts, particularly in economics, for 6th semester students. As I said already, this is the second session, and this slide and then this video is created by me only. There are many definitions made by economic thinkers that on their own views that how human resource management is all about. There are two different definitions. The first definitions of human resource management is that it is the process of managing people in organization in a structured and thorough manner. This covers the fields of staffing, that we call it as hiring people. We know that the many organizations are hiring the people to do the better work. Retention of people, pay and perks, setting, and management performance. Particularly, there is a change in management and also a performance management taking care of exist from the company to round off the activities. This is the way how traditional definition of human resource management, which deals some experts to define it as a modern version of personal management function that was used earlier. This is what I what you call quoted, taking from the many sources in the website or through reading many books. This is the first type of definition that we discussed in a human resource management definition. When we are going to discuss the second definition of human resource management, it is quite different from first definition of human resource management. The second definition of human resource management encompasses the management of people in organization from a macro perspective, that is managing people in the form of a collective relationship between management and employees. This approach focuses on the objectives and outcomes of human resource management functions. When an organization is going to function thoroughly with having of a quality human resource, it could be have a little bit of focuses on its own objectives and then a little bit of result what they are expecting. It means that the human resource function in contemporary organization is concerned with the notion of people enabling that the people development. As far as the appointment of people in organization and in company is concerned, their enabling and then their development, particularly the people development, will also be considered for the betterment of organization and then for the functioning of organization should be considered. People development will always be a serious issue in the second definition, and a focus on making the employment relationship fulfilling for both the management and the employee. These are the two definitions classified majorly under human resource management. But as far as in simple words is concerned, the definition of human resource management is quite different. Human resource management is management function that helps the manager to recruit, select, train and develop organization members, or you may call it as human resource management is a process of making the efficient and effective use of human resources so that the set goals are achieved. This is what all about in the first definition and in the second definition, and also we have a little bit of in a simple version of the definition, particularly in human resource management. As far as in general terms is concerned, in the next slides, in the second slide, as I put forwarded, that is the definition of human resource management. That is in general term, it is concerned with the people dimension in management. That is in particular, since every organization is made up of people acquiring their services, developing their skills, motivating them to high levels of performance, and ensuring that they continue to maintain their commitment to the organization, or you may call it as the companies. It is essential for achieving organizational objectives, that is in general. This is true that in general terms that I am telling to you people, that this is true regardless of the type of organization, government, business, education, health, regression or social action concern in organization. And as far as many thinkers, those who are having expertise in human resource management, they said that according to Dunn and Stephens, who is the renowned thinker in human resource management, is that the human resource management is the process of attracting, holding and motivating all manager line and staff. This is the wonderful definition made by Professor Dunn and Professor Stephens. The one institute made its own view on human resource management, particularly from the National Institute of Personnel Management of India, has defined human resource as that part of management which is concerned with the people at work and with their relationship within the enterprise. Its aim is to bring together and develop into an effective organization of the men and women who make up an enterprise and having regard for well-being of individuals and of working groups to enable them to make their best contribution to its success. This is what the definition made by many economists and then many thinkers, particularly on human resource management. And also I followed with many references. Okay, thank you very much.